guys, so we're here at NRAM 2024 at the Dead Air booth, and this is the Dead Air Wolfman. This is one of my favorite 9mm cans, if we can even call it that. This can run 300 blackout super sub, multiple platforms. This here has a tri-log mount, and we're gonna install a heavy can cover on here. Why are we using a heavy? Because this is multi-cal. This can take limited run of 5.56, 300 blackout. You're gonna roll that up top and just kind of wiggle that down. You wanna make sure that you're covering a lot of surface area here, especially the parts that get hot. We have our Dead Air suppressor cover. Go ahead and loosen that up. Loosen this all the way so you can get an easy install of your suppressor. And start feeding your can through here. So we can feed through the front here. Now over here, you want to make sure that you're overlapping this front end so that we can anchor your can into the cover. That prevents any forward or backward movements so that your can cover doesn't come flying off. Once you've got your cover snug on your suppressor, then you can go ahead and wrap your excess cord around your suppressor cover. And here you have your finally wrapped Dead Air Wolfman. These things get pretty hot, especially because they can be used across a wide range of calibers. You can put some limited 5.56 through here, 300 blackout, some high pressure rounds, so these can get pretty hot. I would definitely recommend protecting yourself, your can, your IR glow, everything with your burn-proof wraps by Dead Air.